Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Wow, you went from a C-pillar back seats to front B-pillar, or actually, you got a little bit of seat room. There you go.
I wanted a little bit of room. I didn't want to be sitting on top of it.
Yeah, it looks really good.
I was going to do 18s, and decided to go with these 15s.
Yeah. Maybe more efficient of your 6th door, yeah. So your name, what's in here, man?
Howard Smith.
Okay.
They're pretty much some Frankensteins. They're SBL audio drop-ins.
Yes, sir.
GI baskets.
Okay. Wow. What are these RMS ratings on these subs?
I couldn't tell you.
Okay. Probably 2,000. Yeah, maybe.
Like I said, there's some Frankensteins. They're supposed to be 3K motors, but you know.
Yeah. Nice. Looks good. Are they 3-inch or 4-inch coils?
They're 3-inch.
3-inch. Okay. Mm-hmm. And do you know your tunings?
23 and 44.
Okay. Really good job. Oh wow, you have a little panel here to be able to see out the sunrise. Are you happy with it?
Yeah. Yeah, I still got a few things I want to change. I still haven't finished putting the plate down here yet. The clothes are completely off down here.
Is it still sealed pretty good?
Yeah, it's still good. Yeah. I mean, I know I'm losing a little bit right here.
Yes, sir.
To it.
Have you done any tuning changes on your port yet?
I added these roundovers Tuesday, I think it was. Seemed to get a little bit windier.
Isn't that crazy, just adding a little bit of that?
And then I went back and I put a 3-inch roundover back there. It rolls over into the back, just about a 1/4 inch.
Yeah. That slightly shrunk your port area and you're around. Yeah.
I can play about 17, right on up. It likes about 22 though, really.
Yeah. Okay. Very nice.
Yeah. It doesn't move.
No? Yeah, he did a good job sealing this.
And I welded a steel brace around it.
Yeah.
And then, like glued it all together. There's 3 layers.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
That thing's solid, yeah. That helps your score and pressure. Yeah. Very nice. Wow.
What's up, bud?
Bring it in the seats. It's DJ Rusticles.
Very nice. Nice to meet you again. Your name?
Howard Smith.
Howard Smith. All right. Give a like to Howard Smith. Great demo.